Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making a Scrappy grocery bag holder. It's a cute way to use up some of your fabric scraps and strips and store your grocery sacks at the same time. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a lining fabric, fabric strips, a fabric strip for a hanging loop, and one piece of elastic. First, place the lining fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down and place one of the fabric strips diagonally from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down and align the raw edges on the long sides of the strips. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other, and stitch along the long edge of the fabric using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the corner of the lining fabric. Turn the piece around. Follow the same technique to add the rest of the strips to the lining fabric. Flip the piece over and use the lining fabric as a guide to cut away the excess ends of the strips. Fold the top of the fabric down 1/2 inch with the wrong sides of the fabric facing and press it. Fold the edge over another 3/4 inch and press it. Fold the bottom of the fabric up 1/2 inch with the wrong sides of the fabric facing and press it. Fold the edge over another 3/4 inch and press it. This will form the bottom casing for the elastic. Flip the piece right side up. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides facing. Open the top fold and the bottom casing and match the raw edges, and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Beginning at the top, stitch the sides together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. To reduce fraying, use an overlock stitch or a combination of a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch. Refold the top fold and bottom casing back into place. Stitch around the top fold and the bottom casing about 1/8 inch from the open edge. Be sure to leave a space to add the hanging loop and the elastic. To make the hanging loop, fold the 10-inch fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press it to make a crease and open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 inch from the edges all the way around the fabric strip. Fold the strip in half to make a loop and place the raw edges of the loop inside the top opening of the casing. Secure the loop in place by stitching the casing closed. Press the loop up, stitch across the loop one last time to hold it in the upward position. Insert the elastic and feed it through the bottom casing, adjusting it as you work it through. Pull both ends of the elastic outside the casing about 2 inches. To secure the elastic, stitch the ends together with a zigzag or straight stitch and then feed the elastic back into the casing and readjust it. Stitch the bottom casing closed and turn the piece right side out. And just like that, just that fast, you've made a new way of organizing your grocery bags while using up some of your fabric strips and scraps. See you next time with another project.